guys! Welcome to my channel. Today's recipe, we will going to make fried prawns and vegetables. Please subscribe, like, and share. Click the bell to keep updated. So, we have some prawns here. And then first, kailangan lang natin siya guys. Linisin ng mabuti. Tanggalin yung tinik. And then, i-devein lang natin siya guys. Para matanggal yung mga dirt na ating prawns. So, you know what guys? My favorite ulam. Alam niyo na. Sugpo. Or prawns or shrimp. Sobrang love ko yung ganitong ulam guys. So ito lang sapat na sa akin. So today gagawa tayo ng fried prawns, pero gagawa din tayo ng vegetables because we need vegetables. So every time na mayroon tayong fried stuff, so kailangan every meal natin mayroon tayong gulay. So, ayan guys, clean na siya, malinis na ang ating sugpo or prawns. And now, it's time to marinate our prawns by adding 1/2 teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon lang guys. And then, black pepper. And 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Pwede kayong gumamit ng fresh guys. And I'm using 1/2 teaspoon mushroom powder. So yan kasi yung pampalasa ko guys. Additional tastes for our prawns. And let's add 1 and 1/2 tablespoons of chili powder. Yung chili natin guys, hindi to gaanong maanghang. Mild lang siya. And then, yung 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Yung turmeric, guys, maganda yan sa katawan. And, oyster sauce. Maglagay tayo ng mga 2 tablespoons at least ng ating oyster sauce. So, less ko yung salt natin, diba? Kasi medyo salty na to ang ating oyster sauce. So, ayan. Let's just coat it nicely. I-mix lang natin guys until fully coated and ma-absorb ng ating prawns ang ating mga ingredients na inilagay. So, ayan. Kailangan lang natin siyang ihalo ng maigi. So, set it aside for at least 1 hour. And now, mayroon tayo ditong gulay. Fresh na fresh. Galing sa aking hardin or sa aking garden guys. Actually ano siya, it is an organic because walang halong mga chemicals, walang halong kung ano-anong mga spray. So ito fresh na fresh, and then healthy siya guys, na walang mga spray na ginamit. So yun guys, yung mga pastime ko guys, kung wala akong ginagawa, nag-gardening ako guys. Nagtatanim ako ng mga gulay, although yung space ko dito sa bahay is maliit lang, but some I'm using yung gumagamit lang ako ng mga paso para doon ko siya itatanim. So at least guys, we don't need to go to the market sometimes kasi especially now during lockdown, so medyo limited yung paglabas. So why not making some doing things na mag-gardening para at least guys free na, and then free sa chemicals, and that's it. Okay, so after an hour, let's fry our prawns. Ganun lang guys, kasimple guys. So after mo lang siyang i-marinate, after mo siyang linisin, after mong i-marinate, so you just have to fry it. Para maiba naman guys, kasi yung lagi-lagi na lang na yung buttered prawns or diba para nakakasawa din siya. So today, I prefer to make fried prawns because favorite din ng mga tao dito yan. So I fried this. I prefer to fry today since we have some vegetables as well. So ginawa ko, mag-fry na lang muna tayo. Masarap din siya guys, yung fried na prawns, and then yung medyo spicy siya. Hindi naman gaanong spicy, but mas masarap siyang kainin. Gana siyang kainin guys. Yung appetite mo talaga as in lalabas. Especially yung kanin mo is yung sobrang lambot na maputi siya guys. Wow. As in, super love talaga. Ang sarap nun. And then, mayroon pang gulay. And then, diba, ang sarap. Yung gulay natin kasi is walang halong kung ano-anong mga pesticides, mga spray or ano guys. Sobrang fresh and healthy. So, ayan. Kailangan na natin siyang baliktarin. And ganun lang kadali. So, especially kasi guys, usually yung ginagamit ko sa pag-fry ng prawns, yung medyo medium size guys. Huwag yung sobrang liit kasi once na ma-fry mo siya, pag-shrink siya, so lalong liliit. So, I choose yung medium to large na prawns para masarap. So, habang hinihintay natin ang ating prawns, we will going to steam our vegetables. So, medyo steam lang natin ng kaunti guys. Medyo mabilisang pag-steam lang. Kasi mas iba kasi guys pag steam mo siya kasi lalambot yung ating vegetables na hindi siya overcooked once na i-fry mo na siya. So, ayan. Strain lang guys once na tapos ka na sa pag steam ng ating gulay. Mabilisang steam lang guys ha. After mag boil ng water, tanggalin ka agad. So ayan, hindi siya overcooked. And it's time to cook our vegetables. So simple lang din guys yung ginawa ko sa pagluto ng ating gulay. Kaunting oil lang siya. And then ilagay natin yung ating garlic. Medyo mag-ano tayo ng extra guys. Mag-chop tayo ng extra para sa garnishings natin mamaya. So, we just need to fry it until crispy. Until magiging golden brown siya. Light golden brown. Ayan. So, ayan na guys. Let's save the half for garnishings. Kailangan natin tanggalin yung half. I-save natin siya. So, ganun lang guys. Kasimple lagi yung ginagawa ko sa gulay. Ilagay yung ating steamed veggies. And just, fry like that. And solved na yung ating lunch or dinner. So, mag-add tayo ng ating mga ingredients. Lagyan natin ng kaunting salt for a taste. And some peppers. Then, a little bit of oyster sauce for the taste also. Halo lang guys. Let's mix it until na mix yung ating salt, pepper, and yung nilagay nating oyster sauce. And wag na rin siyang i-overcook guys kasi we already steamed this and already luto na siya guys, so we don't need to keep it too long. Ayan, so it's time to serve our prawns and yung ating vegetables. Garnish it with the fried garlic. Ang sarap guys. Yan ang gustong gusto ko guys. Masarap kainin yung fried garlic. So ayan, nakaset na ang ating prawns at ang ating gulay. So ayan guys, makikita nyo guys, simpleng-simple lang yung ating recipe today and it's very masarap. You can enjoy eating it with white rice and our vegetables na ginawa together. So it's time to eat guys. So ayan guys, my own growing vegetables. Ito yun guys yung harvest ko today. Sobrang dami, organic and so fresh. And alam mo yung mapapanatag yung loob mo guys kasi walang pesticides. I love gardening and then aside from cooking, gustong-gusto ko yung mag-gardening guys. Because we can have our healthy vegetables and it's ready to cook. Every time guys na gusto mong magluto ng gulay, so pwede ka lang agad-agad kumuha or mag-harvest. Yan ang mga pastimes ko guys, yung mag-gardening. And sometimes, you know, you plant and then you are just too excited to see, you know, how much you harvest. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam. A very healthy veggies guys. No need ka na pumunta ng market. O ayan o, ang daming bunga ng aking ampalaya and then ang aking eggplant. Sobrang sarap. Itong ampalaya na to guys, hindi siya gaanong mapait. Masarap siya kahit gawin mong salad. So thank you so much for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed our recipe today, which is very simple and very easy, but it is very tasty and healthy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Click the bell to keep updated. Have a great day. Thank you everyone for your support. God bless. See you again in my next video. Bye!